Do you know that there are a whole lot of persons who still thinks Forex is a scam? Like, I recently discovered that a whole lot of persons, even those that have traded, still think that Forex is one of those scamic businesses that is being put up by some persons, and there are a whole lot of scam. And those categories of people are just people that don't have much knowledge. Even if they do, they've not taken time to really study the industry before diving into it. you know Good to let you know, if you are seeing this video, forex trade is something that is a line of business that the banks, the popular banks that like the Citibank, the Dutch banks, that's what they've been doing with your money for years. They've been trading the stock market with your money for years, and now you are opportune to be part of that, and all you think is a scam. Honestly, not everybody have the same path. The fact that forex may not work for you doesn't mean it's a scam. It's a win-lose game. You trade, you win. If your strategy is not well enough, you lose. But the moment you start taking one thing to heart, like one thing very serious, too serious, forgetting the other side of the game, you lose everything entirely. There you are missing the entire information. So forex is not a scam. Although when it comes to options, there are some scamming organization that comes up. But before you dive into any particular broker, you have to make little research. uh, like in most cases, when I make video, I make some recommendations, and I don't make recommendation of those that have not tried and tested. Okay. uh, which I'm just going to, if you visit my website, you are going to see that, and I'm just going to still include some of the link below. So if forex is not really working for you, most times you need some education, more education, for you to really understand the industry and how it works. Probably in most cases you must have gotten a little misinformation from where you learned your strategies. Most times you have to relearn some of the things that you've learned. Sometimes you have to format the ones you've learned and then learn a very new, everything totally different from what you know. Because sometimes we get misinformed, and we think that that information we have is the most original. Meanwhile, the original is out there waiting for us to just get across to it. So forex is not a scam. It's a legit business. It's been in existence for years and years. So if you're opportune to get your hands on it, get the proper education on how to deal on the industry well enough and leverage on it. It's all about leverage. Okay, people are making it, doesn't mean that those persons are not having some little challenges, but they are just they learn from their challenges and they learn from other people's mistakes. Okay, I'm speaking from experience too. I learn from other people's mistakes. I learn from, in fact, when you have one success, you learn from that particular success. That is, if you place a trade, let's say you place a trade and the trade eventually wins, most persons, normal persons, will just jubilate, and they'll be excited. But those that really want to be successful in the industry, although they'll be excited, but they'll go back, check that chart, check the trade, and check the reason why they won. Why did I win in this? What made me win? What would I have done that would have made it a loss? What would I have done that would have made it a win. uh, if I had done, if I had entered earlier, would it have been a win? Or if I had entered somewhat later, would it still be a win? Something of that sort. Just take take out some studies out of your personal, you know experience, like personal trade and whatever. So those persons that are really having tough time with this, you know most times you could try out some different things. Then one could work well for you. You could try out drop shipping. You could try out digital marketing, advertising, Google ads, Facebook ads. Any of them could work for you. You could try out affiliate marketing and all of that. And talking about affiliate marketing, uh, I'm just going to include the link in the video. If you check my site simbanews.com, I offer an affiliate marketing for my users. We offer affiliate marketing, and the good thing about it is we pay about 30%. That if you market a product worth about $100, per sales, you get about $30. Imagine you are able to generate about 10 different sales in 1 week. That's about $300, or even 10 different sales in a day. That's about $300, a whooping $300 that you'll be getting. So you just leverage from different means. This online business, there are so many online businesses. There are hotter skills that you could learn. Hotter skills that can give you very good and hot source of income, passive income. You just need to make your research, and you get everything right. You use one thing, most times you use one thing to sponsor another. Most persons are using Forex to sponsor other businesses they have, and most persons are using other businesses they have to sponsor Forex, their Forex skills. Okay, as you move on, as you proceed down the line, never forget to learn. Keep learning, keep strategizing, keep leveraging. Okay, because what will change the entire story is leverage. If you are working hard and hard and hard and hard and hard, keep hitting the same place, although you might receive reasonable result, but if you are leveraging, the speed will be higher. The speed will be higher if you are leveraging. That's the same thing like using a blunt axe to cut down a tree. When you're using the axe in a particular angle, let's say horizontally, it may be difficult cutting the tree. But when you try to tilt your hand at an angle, let's say angle 30, you discover that you'll be cutting the tree faster and faster. That's leveraging. You're leveraging on that angle. That angle, those that study mathematics, there's what they call angle of elevation, angle of depression, and all of that. So without wasting much time, I just needed to let people know this. The industry is free, totally free. Most person will tell you, okay, you need to. The only thing that is not free is the education. You need to get educated. And most time, when you don't want to get educated the hard way, like you want to go through some right sources, you need to pay their fees and then get the lessons. Personally, when I teach people, I collect fees too. It's not bad. It's their own source of income too. So, all right. I hope by now you are subscribed to this channel. If you are not, make sure you do that, because I'm going to be sharing amazing content to you, and make sure you are subscribed. All right. Nice meeting you today.